Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the core libraries are installed and available. Once done, import CV2, Pill, Image and NumPy, then open a file and immediately convert to RGB or gray so pixel semantics are clear. Next, normalize into a 0-1 float array and perform a quick resize or crop to a consistent shape. This prevents shape mismatch errors later. Make sure to display the intermediate result so you confirm input quality before moving into algorithmic processing. Once your image is normalized, approach processing stepwise. First, reduce noise with Gaussian or median filters because noise breaks edges and affects thresholds. Then compute gradients or run canny for edge maps. Use adaptive thresholding where lighting varies. After segmentation, use morphological operations to clean regions and fine contours or connected components for object extraction. Vectorize operations with NumPy to keep performance high, and chain small transformations so each step has a clear purpose. You finalize by converting arrays back to UNT8 or desired D-type and saving using CV2. ImWrite or PIL. Image. Save, double-check color order BGR versus RGB so colors stay accurate. For performance, restrict processing to ROIs, use multithreading or batch pipelines, and profile hotspots. If something goes wrong, inspect array shapes, data types, and channel ordering first. Mismatches here cause most bugs. One troubleshooting tip. Reload the saved file and compare histograms to confirm no unintended scaling or clipping happened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.